Welcome to the walk around video here at YNC car of the 420D M Sport Coupe in Estoril blue. So alongside the superb exterior colour, the vehicle features a full YNC car Mperformance body styling kit, and alongside that includes a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloys that come with 4 brand new tyres. It's a 2017 17 plates. We've also got a facelift model, as you can tell by the facelift headlamps, and I'll point out of course all of the other facelift items shortly. Down the side of the car we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our gloss black sidebars and the satin side vinyls, along with YNC Mperformance decals. As you can see, all of those additions work really well with the Estoril blue, and as does the interior, being that it have a full black Dakota leather, which for the front passengers and drivers comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat options. And as you can see, that has been really nicely kept. It has got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We also have an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest, central storage tray, and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. Moving round swiftly to the back of the car, again showing you off those fantastic alloys which really do complement that exterior colour, being that they are finished in the bi-colour diamond cut finish. At the back we opted to go for the high gloss rear spoiler and the satin rear diffuser for this car. You will also see there the LED facelift rear lights. We've got a very nice size boot for the 4 Series Coupe. If you've not yet seen one, that you'll be very pleasantly surprised. It also does come with split folding seats. Round at the driver's side, once again we'll be able to see that this is a very clean and tidy example, and of course working really nicely once more. There's all of those additions, and we shall go ahead, take a seat inside and just run yourself through a couple of these vehicles' interior details, starting with the facelifted professional wide navigation and media screen. And we shall begin by taking a look at the vehicle's sat-nav system, which is one that is a really nice and simple one to use. It also includes real-time traffic updates to keep you on that fastest route possible. We've got Bluetooth telephone and audio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs, again keeping you connected for your music needs. You've got music collection, DAB, we've also got USB and AUX inputs, and of course we've already mentioned the Bluetooth audio. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls, along with the switches for these lovely heated seats. It's a low mileage car, having covered just over 38,000 miles. On the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, which once again is in great condition, no signs of wear there or on any of the seat bolsters. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with these paddles for that tremendous 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And we shall quickly have a look at this vehicle's service requirements. As you can see, everything's green, so that's a great sign. Everything is not needed for a long time. 19,000 miles till next service. And as you can see there, it's got 2 services from BMW and one that has been done at 18948. So that would have been the first service, and it's also got some documentation of the recent service as well. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, should you want to get in contact with us here at YNC car, you'll find all of the relevant contact information alongside website links in the description there down below. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.